Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode of our channel. Today we are embarking on a virtual journey to explore the breathtaking world of Australian birds. Australia boasts a unique and diverse avian population, showcasing a kaleidoscope of colors, melodies, and fascinating behaviors. Join us as we unveil the top picks of best Australian birds, each contributing to the rich tapestry of his remarkable continent. Our avian adventures kick off with the vibrant and lively rainbow lorikeet. These stunning parrots are a riot of colors, with their plumage resembling a painter's palette. Found in urban areas, rainforests, and coastal regions, these social birds are not only a treat for the eyes but also for the ears with their playful and melodious calls. Feast your eyes on the striking hues of Australian king parrot, a species known for its vibrant colors. These charismatic birds are often found in the lush Eucalyptus Forests of eastern Australia. Learn about their feeding habits, nesting behaviors, and the role they play in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. Meet the charismatic sulphur-crested cockatoo, a large and intelligent bird with distinctive yellow breast, commonly found in urban areas and woodlands across Australia. These social birds are known for their playful antics and impressive vocalizations. For more related contents about birds, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.